Gunners, YouTubers, subscribers, today is a very special day. We are in the garage. We are waiting for the next giveaway car. I purchased this car about 3 weeks ago. It's going to be all-wheel drive. I can't tell you any more details. I'll show you in the video today. I am excited for this because it's one-of-a-kind build. It's basically never been done. I believe there's one more person that's done this build. But needless to say, I'm excited. So I am literally waiting for the truck to pull up with the car, and we are going to introduce the next giveaway car. And with that being said, we are going to teach you how to make your car all-wheel drive with the FCS bolt-on kit and other things to learn. We're going to swap out an oil pump. We're going to do clutch jobs. We're going to do the axle explanation. We're going to do a whole bunch of things with this build. We are going to fire it up. We are going to tune it. We are going to take it for a test drive. And we are going to give it away to one lucky subscriber / gunner. So without further ado, let's start the video. Alright guys, so I just got a phone call from Lefty. He is about 5 minutes away with the car. I'm excited, so I'm waiting for him to come down the street. I'm going to film him coming down the street, and you guys are going to see the car for the first time. So I'm super excited. I'll show you what I got going on right now just to kill some time. Hold on. What do we got here? So I painted that housing. Let me know how I did. Gave it 3 coats, primed it first. Outer. The whole theme of this car, you'll start to see, like, we're gonna include a lot of black in it. Pause. So we're just waiting. So hopefully it'll be on this lift any moment now. I'm gonna go outside and wait for him to drive down the street. Yeah, 5 minutes my butt, Lefty. 5 minutes my butt. Project driver though. My boy's ready, man. My boy's ready. He's got a wheel alignment. Just waiting for Jamie to tune. I can't wait to break these tires in. Oh man. Oh yeah, baby. I'm loving this car right now. I drove it to the wheel alignment place, and it feels so responsive. I can't wait. Can't wait. But now, literally just waiting for Lefty to come down that street right there. He said 5 minutes. Yeah, right. There he is. I see. Oh, there. Oh, yeah, he's in a rental. Watch him. It's here. It's here. It's here. Oh my God, it's beautiful. This guy's dead. There it is, boys. 1993 right-hand drive EG. We are going to give this car away. Look how beautiful it is. It hasn't been washed in years. It's flawless. Someone is going to win this car, man. Oh yeah. Will this be the greatest giveaway ever or what? Will it be? Let's get it inside. Okay guys, here you have it. So it's a 1993 Honda Civic with a right-hand drive conversion. It is put together extremely well. Extremely well. So what do we have here is a K20 Z3 motor. It's got a whole bunch of goodies on it, but we are not using the K20. Did I say K24 or K20? Whatever. I said K20 Z3. So it's a Z3 full swap. We are not using this swap. So I'll think of something creative on how to get rid of the swap with the motor mounts. We have our own motor mounts. We have the all-wheel drive motor mounts from Hasport. Big shout out to them. It's got a full turbo kit, 6266 KLM manifold, wastegate 60 mil, up pipe, all that. I bought some floating headlight brackets. We got a whole bunch of, honestly, this car is really not going to take too long to complete because I've just been gathering parts. As you could see, I got the transmission going. I got the long block here. We're gonna swap out this oil pump and put a 4-piston ported one in. And I've got my wave track differential there. And yeah, it's just gonna get down to hard work. I've got the FCS kit stashed away. I've got the Wago stuff that I purchased. Remember, guys, I showed you guys that Wago? I've got that stuff from that car. But this car is in immaculate shape. It's really never been outside. My boy Lefty kind of had it for a while, but then gave it up. So this is the fun part. We're going to name this car, and I'll explain it to you before the end of the video. Whole bunch of goodies on it. We're going to get a carbon trunk for it. We're going to get a carbon hood for it. Put the windows back to being functional. What else? It's got a K-tune shifter already. I'm going to swap out that steering wheel. We're going to get a real nice one on here. Get some real nice seats. I don't want to put anything in the back. So I think I'm going to leave that nice and clean. Guys, this is not clean. We still have to clean it inside, and it's going to look immaculate. So I'm thinking about putting a carpet about 3/4 through, or maybe just halfway, or cutting the carpet right here, and then exposing all of that and leaving all that gloss. It's got some skunk suspension on it in excellent condition. This steering wheel definitely has to go. But yeah, right-hand drive, man. It's got some accessories from Japan on it already. I'm not really too familiar with the JDM stuff, but yeah, we're gonna clean up this wiring over here. We're gonna get this car running. I have the cowl for the right-hand drive. Yeah, it's got a bunch of goodies on it. Swap out the rims, get 4 888s on it. But it's a great looking car, man. Yeah, let me know what you think. Okay, so real quick, a quick glance on the bottom. Half the work has been done because we can't use. Let me get a light. Let me get a light and make life easy. Hold on, sorry guys. Sorry. Okay, so all right, let's start from the front. So we've got a traction bar on here. We got some. I don't know if those are Pro Cs. What is those? Those are Pro. Yeah, those are Pro Cs. Got to check the spring rate on that. I've got the upper camber kit that we're putting on there. We've got 36mm spindles, so these spindles are going to go. We're going to take this motor out. We're going to put the 24 in it. It's got a full clutch kit on it. We're probably going to do, we've been thinking about doing like this open raffle where it's like just $20 each. And then however many slots. If we sell 5 slots, that's what we'll just raffle off to 5 people. If it sells $10 million in slots, we're going to raffle it off to 10 million people. We don't know what we're going to do yet because we're not using this long block. We're not using these motor mounts. So we're going to get rid of this motor because I want a 24 in here because of the torque. So it's got a mint subframe on it. It's got some ESM compliance bushings. I'm sorry, just a little excited right now. Traction bar on it. Body line is completely not in bad shape. I'm gonna redo these brake lines over. It's got the rear trailer arm. It looks like spherical also. Toe adjusters, but all this is going away because we are using the FCS bolt-on kit. So I'll probably just sell like this whole this whole arm set up in a pair. I got to recuperate some kind of money because I spent a lot of money on this car because Lefty did not want to give it up. But I could not really see anything that was topping Oren. So, yeah, that's where we're at. Big intercooler. Probably repaint that silver. But we want to go with like a black. So it's a Scion XB blue. It's Scion XB blue. So I don't know. I really want to just keep the black theme going. That's why I did the transmission in black. But yeah. It's a great looking car, man. Yeah, guys. I'm excited for this, man. I'm excited because a few things are going to happen during this build. We are going to teach you how to bolt on your own all-wheel drive kit, right? We're going to teach you some miscellaneous things of taking the motor out, swapping the motor in. There's a lot of people that don't know everything and they're eager to learn. That's what this channel's about. So I'll take suggestions, man. What seat should we put in it? You know what I mean? What headlights? You know, what rims? What tires? We're going all-wheel drive. Factor that in. And when it's all completed and it's off the dyno and we take a couple of pulls and we have fun, we're going to give it away. And at the same time, we're going to show some recognition to the companies that are helping us with this car. But that's a good thing for you and I, because we benefit on saving money on parts. So there's going to be some companies that are willing to be a part of this car and at the same moment maybe give us back a few percentage on parts. Everybody wins. They make a sale, you save money, I look great doing it, and we get the content for it. So I wanted to share this stuff with you that came with the car. So I've got the title here. It also came with the badge that this front clip is from. I've got the original VIN number of the original dashboard. That all goes to the winner. Sorry. And we've got the old firewall. That's also going to go to the winner also. Well, that's also going to go to the winner. I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited. I'm a little bit nervous. I hope you guys like this giveaway. I spent a lot of money on getting it, but I know it's gonna be worth it, man. If I can make a few extra bucks from what I've put into it, and at the same time, we don't know where this car is going to go. It's going to change a life, because I guarantee whoever wins this car can probably get like $40,000 for it, $35,000 for it. It's a right-hand drive EG K-Series all-wheel drive. So if you opt out and don't keep this, imagine how many car shows you're gonna win. Imagine how many events you're gonna have. You're gonna be the showstopper. So start thinking in a positive manner on what you would do if you win this car. We're gonna have a huge party again like we did with Oren. And yeah, man, the movement continues, man. We're getting stronger. We're getting bigger by the day. There's more gunners being born every day, man. And we continue to prosper and be positive. And we just keep gunning, man. Please, like, comment, share the channel, subscribe. I appreciate you, man. You gotta be in it to win it. So I love you guys, man. Keep gunning.